I'm building a MCP for the CRM.
Okay.
It's called an MCP server.
Alright.
The word server is a little confusing because
It's actually
it's not. It is a server, but like it's like from
it's not a
API.
hardware
Yeah,
component.
yeah,
To it. It's just a conceptual.
So someone create an MCP server.
Right.
It'll still have this part of the work, right? This like it'll have that REST API conversion, whatever.
Okay.
But all of the other things, like what does each API do, the commands to be given to the LLM to use an API.
Okay.
All of that's in this.
All right. So if I want the other agentic systems to connect, I just simply push them to the MCP server, and instead of doing 10 different things, I just connect one MCP.
Yeah,
server.
so all these systems nowadays, right,
Yes.
they come, and this is where the 3.5 MCP happened, right? So Anthropic built it. And OpenAI said we're going to use it as well. Google said we're going to use it as well. Microsoft agreed to use it as well. And
Okay.
then suddenly everyone's like, yeah, this is the platform.
Okay.
So all, like whether you're coding in pure Python,
Right.
so let's say this becomes an MCP protocol, right?
Mm.
And then the same thing for this, like you'll build an MCP server for your email,
Okay.
and you'll build an MCP server for
Your database.
your database,
Got it.
and you'll build an MCP server for project management.
So, will the question I have for you, Abhinav, is who's going to build this MCP server? If my CRM is Salesforce or it's Dynamics, does Dynamics build the MCP server, or do I, as a user, just put together the APIs that Dynamics or Salesforce or my CRM provider has and build my own MCP server on top of that?
So the good thing is that a lot of the providers now, that when MCP really picked up, a lot of the providers ended up creating their MCP servers.
Okay.
So like they like, so if you go and search and you say, okay, let's say I use Salesforce, right? You search Salesforce MCP.
Yeah.
There's actually a high possibility that you will get a ready MCP server for
Okay.
Salesforce.
All right.
So these places where like all these MCP packages, like servers lie, like pre-prepared ones, it's called a registry.
Okay.
Right? The